Imagine standing at the very top of Europe, a place where the earth seems to curve away beneath your feet. Feel the crisp, clean air fill your lungs as you gaze out at a vista unlike any other. Here, precisely at 71 degree 1021 north, you're farther north than most people will ever venture, a truly remote and special location. You're surrounded by the stark beauty of the Arctic tundra, a landscape painted in muted tones, beneath an endless, expansive sky that stretches to the horizon. The long journey through Finnmark, the northernmost county of Norway, gradually strips away the familiar comforts of everyday life, leaving you immersed in the raw, untamed beauty of the landscape and the rich cultural heritage of the Sami people. Reaching North Cape after such a journey feels like a genuine accomplishment, a testament to perseverance and a thirst for exploration. The iconic globe sculpture, a symbol recognized around the world, proudly marks your arrival, standing as a powerful symbol of having successfully reached Europe's final frontier, a place where adventure truly begins. Stand here, let the wind whip around you, and gaze out at the vast expanse of the Arctic Ocean, stretching seemingly endlessly towards the North Pole. Feel the profound awe of the world's immense scale, the sheer magnitude of nature's power and beauty laid out before you. The profound silence, occasionally broken only by the cries of seabirds soaring along the cliffs and the relentless rush of the wind, naturally invites quiet reflection on the spirit of exploration, the resilience of the human spirit, and the enduring power of nature. It's a unique and special place to truly contemplate your own place within the grand tapestry of the world, but a transformative experience, a new and inspiring perspective on life itself. It's a remarkable destination, an unforgettable journey that stays with you, resonating deeply, long after you've turned your back and left its majestic shores. What is North Cape's most magical moment? It's a question that lingers in the mind, a puzzle waiting to be solved by the senses. The midnight sun, a celestial phenomenon that defies expectations. From mid-May to late July, a remarkable period unfolds where the sun never truly sets below the horizon. It just dips, teasing the horizon, and then it paints the sky with strokes of gold, a breathtaking spectacle before gracefully rising again to begin a new day. You join travelers from around the world drawn to this remote location by the allure of the Arctic summer, all hushed in awe, sharing a moment of collective wonder. Day and night blur into one endless glowing moment, a timeless memory etched into your soul. Plants and wildlife thrive in the constant life-giving light. Polar night descends, a period of extended darkness when the sun never graces the horizon. But in summer, it's all about the light, an abundance that transforms the landscape. The memory of the midnight sun, its golden horizon and ethereal glow, will stay with you forever, a lasting impression of the Arctic's magic. Beyond the dramatic cliffs that define this iconic location, a unique experience awaits. Built directly into the very rock face of the North Cape, the ethereal glow of the midnight sun, the raw power of the Arctic storms, the mesmerizing dance of the northern lights and the joyous return of spring, painting the landscape with vibrant colors. Be sure to experience the Cave of Light, which even when the weather turns, with thick fog rolling in or rain pouring down, it's a special place to connect with the dramatic landscape and to feel a part of the long and fascinating tradition of those who have journeyed to reach the world's end. Rain or shine, offering who makes the journey. The journey to North Cape is an adventure in itself. Winding across Majeroya Island, the road reveals dramatic fjords, tundra, and glimpses of the Arctic Ocean. Reindeer graze by the roadside, a reminder you're in Sami country. The landscape is stark, open and beautiful with no forests, just resilient Arctic plants. Cyclists face steep climbs and wild winds, but the reward is total immersion in the environment. Connects you to this remote world. As you emerge, the road climbs to the plateau, building anticipation for the final view. The E69 isn't just a road, it's the last chapter of an epic journey. Packing for North Cape? Think layers, not shorts. Even in July, Arctic weather is unpredictable. Sun, fog, rain and wind can all arrive in minutes. Dress in layers, base, insulation and a waterproof shell. Don't forget a hat, gloves and sturdy shoes. The wind on the plateau is fierce and temperatures can drop quickly. Always check the forecast but expect surprises. Locals say, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Let someone know your plans if you're hiking, and be ready for sudden changes. Don't let the cold deter you. The raw elements are part of the North Cape experience. Pack smart, stay warm, and embrace the adventure at Europe's edge.